Alright, I'm gonna do a mic tutorial. You can make it like sound crisp like mine. It's pretty simple. You need equalizer APO. You look it up on Google. First link, you just download it, install it, and then you get the talkset.txt file. You will click open. I recommend putting the file to this location or wherever you installed it in the config folder. All these files will show up, but it might they might be red. You have to open it and put them in VST plugins. In your VST plugins, the plugins will be in there. So then you can configure it however you want. You just change it. I don't know how you say it. You just change everything if you want it. And then if you're on Blue Yeti like me, you will open the Logitech G Hub. That's what I personally use. You can copy these settings. I use a Blue Yeti. And then you should be fine. And then I record with Audacity, my audio sometimes. And you can just test your mic to see if it works on there.